Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to give you a little video here, show you something I'm working on my Vaterra Ascender Suburban. You know, as it comes, it's got the headlight and the marker light on the bumper. Well, I wanted more. So what I did was took the aluminum tape that you find at like Menards or Home Depot, or I don't know, Walmart might even have it, and got some of that, and I went ahead and put it around. I put a light on the back side of the body, or the front side of the body, so it would show through the inside, so I could see where the sticker was for the body, you know, for the turn signal in the side marker lamps. So I did that, and I took the aluminum tape and put that down, and then I went ahead and took a cotton swab, a Q-tip with some paint thinner on it, and just scrubbed it until it ended up being clear, so I could see the decal, you know, for the tail light and the side marker light. So I went ahead and I put the aluminum tape on the rest of the body because you know, with battery plugs and things, it was starting to wipe the paint off. And then at night, the top was kind of transparent, the white, you could see the electronic speed control light and everything through the roof. So I figured, what the hell, I got a lot of the tape, so I just went ahead and did that. But I've got the front done, and all I did was I don't have access to I don't have a 3D printer, so what I did was I took the hard dense foam that you have for your battery packs, you know, to keep them in place, and I went ahead and I cut them down and made them to the size that I needed for each particular light, you know, like this one for the back marker light. And then I'll drill a hole through the center of it and put the light in, turn the light on, so I know that when I put it in, that the light is centering up with the sticker. And along with that, when I put it up to that point, I put shoe goo around it to get it to stick, you know, to the body. And then when I go through and I do the next one or whatever, I'll go through with the aluminum tape and tape everything down so there's no light coming through the back side. I did that on the bumper lights too, because you know, you don't want light coming through the wheel wells and everything on the back side of the body. It just doesn't look right. So but yeah, I'll show you guys a video here in the next couple of nights when I get them all done. These are my back lights. What they actually were was a light that was it had 3 red bulbs on each side. It was a Traxxas, I think it was for the Blazer Traxxas setup, and I cut one of the bulbs out and then just went ahead and, you know, soldered them together. So that's what I'm going to do with that, is just, you know, have the one light in there for the tail light, and then I'll have the other light in there for the side marker light, and, you know, have it on both sides, and it'll be pretty neat. Like I said, I like driving my stuff at night, and it's nice when you can, you know, enjoy them. You know, take them out at night, and they look scale. They got all the lights on them like a 70 Suburban should have. You know, that kind of thing. So, like I said, it's not perfect. I mean, you could definitely do it a lot better if you have a 3D printer. But for, you know, what I've got, I figured, hey, why not get some hard foam and make my own little light buckets and go from there. So anyway, just I will show you guys the video here when I get them all finished up, and show you what it looks like at night. So, hey guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like and comment and share my videos, whatnot. Definitely appreciate you guys watching, and hope you're all doing good out there. So take care and stay safe, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.